Speaking of individual psychology, next up we have an Amazon driver. Go.
Yeah, I know.
We have an Amazon driver who also needs to take the day off for sure. He was losing his cool big time as he was driving around, and it's really funny because on the side of the Amazon truck you have the happy face, the Amazon logo, smiling arrow, and the profanity. I think you can play it.
Does he swear or does he just yell?
He swears, but you can play it. So they've age restricted it because of the actual language. You can just mute the early part of it and then play the audio from the second part of it. So it's an Amazon driver screaming from his van as he goes up and down the street. You can play the audio now. Just screaming as he's doing a 3-point turn.
Truck ID or something.
Just losing it. Just completely having a bad day.
This part's the best.
It's almost unbelievable. Really.
Yeah.
Wild.
Truck ID or something.
While he's doing a Yui.
Now you can imagine, speaking about mental health, you can imagine the demand on the Amazon drivers the last year, the entire last year, just pushing it, man. Just pushing it as far as efficiency and volume. And you hear all these stories of like tired drivers and long hours. And so there's definitely some stress involved over there. Maybe it helped him out. It let it out. Maybe you get in front of the media and you just start yelling at them. Mm-hmm. Nah! And all of a sudden you feel better. They're like, excuse me, Naomi, please tell us what's going to happen in this tournament once you make it to the championship. Nah! I don't think she would do that. I might do something like that.
Yeah.
I'll be like, you guys are annoying me. So I wonder if there's a stipulation that like, no, you have to answer the... I don't think you do. I think you just have to show up. I think it's up to you how you answer.
Yeah,
all right, now you see,
just,
I talk too much. I got too many words. I would be having the bad mental health and I would still take the interview and then I would just act crazy.
Sure. Start dancing.
That's what I would do. I'd be like, okay, that's what you want? That's what you want?
Yeah.
Anyway.